Right, okay, so here's my mini lathe. So I've been doing a little modification to this today, and that was to the splashback on this, because mainly you've got this splashback here, and what happens is when you're turning, you get a load, especially if you do a lot like I do, you get a lot of chips building up at the back here, and it basically fills up to the extent that you can't use the lathe without cleaning it out. Yeah, so to prevent the build up of chips out the back here, I'll show you what I've done to the splashback. Alright, so here is the splashback, and obviously you can see that it doesn't look like it should do because I've modified it. So I've actually cut this rectangular slot in here, so that means then the chips will fall down and into the chip tray at the bottom. So as you can see there, I've just bent this piece of plate here on my little metal bender, and then tack welded it along the back there to hold it on, and that's on there really sturdy. I cut it around about 1 centimetre away from this edge here, so that means it will still retain the strength of the this angle here, so it's still really sturdy. Okay, so here you can see it installed on the mini lathe, and all looks good. So the main reason for putting that plate in is so the chips fall straight down and into the tray at the bottom and don't go behind the lathe, so I don't have to clean out behind there quite so often. But yeah, all works okay, and it's still really rigid, as you can see. So I haven't took any strength away from the piece of metal itself, although it's not actually doing anything, just prevents splashback and the chips from flying everywhere. So yeah, not too bad. So yeah, I just like to say please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, or give it a thumbs down. Please comment down below, and please subscribe, because I'll be bringing out some more videos in the future. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.